Recording right now. Okay, this is David.
This Teresa.
Hey.
I just fucking do it.
Alright, bitch, I'm down.
Alright, this
Okay. Wait. Wait, where are we gonna go, David?
I don't know. The first one you know, you fucking go.
Oh my God.
Pressuring me already. I feel my heart.
It's mine. Okay, there it is. Really high. Say hi.
I'm fucking outside of this piece of shit.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm fucking do this. I'm fucking do it.
Wait, what are we gonna do now? Where are we going?
This cars keep passing by.
But where are we gonna go? I can't stop moving my hand.
Do we just walk out?
Fuck it. Hell yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, where are we gonna walk to though?
We're just gonna walk out?
Yeah, where to though?
We're just gonna walk out and walk to a car or something. No?
No.
If I was high, I would probably die.
I know. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, just do it. What do we do? Just put it down and up?
Yeah, just pull it up. Just pull that hoe up and then.
Okay.
You ready? Wait!
What?
Wait, what are we still ink on me? Yeah.
Fuck.
No, just kidding. Just do it. Just do it, ho. Just do it. Wait. Just pull that hoe. Pull it. I'm ready. Wait, hold on. Wait. Okay.
Where are we gonna go?
I'm fucking shaking. I'm gonna walk out. Go somewhere. Okay, go.
Do I just put it down?
Yeah, just fuck it. I'm down. Just do it.
Down and up?
Just pull it down.
We didn't push the button.
We fucking did it. I told you, bitch, we fucking did it.
Let's walk to a car.
No. Wait, come on, dude. Put fire on. David did it. That asshole.
Let's fucking watch.
Oh, right whenever I pass this fucking truck, I'm running. Where are you going? What's that? I gotta go to my next class.
You're going to, I thought we were going to
We're supposed to go this serious.
This is walk like that.
Where?
Just walk around and come back to the street.
No, bitch, what the hell? Maybe my heart is pumping so fast. Oh my god, I was so tired that I'm really high. Huh?